Kids recently learned a little bit about entrepreneurism, homemade lemonade stand, and in this video we're going to show you our homemade DIY lemonade recipe, baby. So good. So it's not really our recipe, it was a Google search and this is what we came up with, but nonetheless it is pretty good. We're going to take a cup of water and 3/4 of a cup of white sugar, and we are reducing, kind of, I don't know if you call it a reduction or whatnot, but you basically don't want to just mix this into a container and stir it up because all that sugar will sink to the bottom and won't distribute evenly, and that'll affect the taste, and your customers will not come back and not be willing to spend a nickel or a quarter on that lemonade. So we are heating it over medium heat until it turns completely clear and all of that sugar is dissolved into the water. Now the downside of this is that you've got warm water, so if you've got customers outside waiting, then you got to have some time to cool it down. So make this in advance, and we're taking lemon juice right out of the bottle right here, pouring a cup all the way just like that. By the way, click that like button if you're enjoying this video. Subscribe to the channel. Lots of home projects, things like that. And don't forget to share this with somebody. That'd be awesome. So we're going to pour the lemon juice, the cup of lemon juice, and the melted sugar water into our serving tray. And we're going to fill that up with nice cold water, about 6 cups. We'll bring it all the way to here and give you a really good cup of lemonade. And that is how you do it, cheap and delicious. Thanks so much.